Hi everyone. Today I am going to do a makeup um, video. Okay, it's a new makeup that I bought off of TikTok. They say it blends to your skin. It goes on white and then turns the color of your skin. I want to see how this does because at 56 years old, you have a lot of blemishes and uh, dark under the eyes and everything. So I thought this would be fun to try this and do it on video. See what you guys think. So the stuff I bought is this. Okay. And it's supposed to blend into the skin. I have seen younger, older people putting it on TikTok. So I thought, well, I'll try it and see. So let's go ahead and try this. Here's the product. Okay, so it's a light one because my skin's kind of light and everything. So we'll see how it goes here. I'm going to, and I'm sorry getting so close, and I'm not wearing my glasses, which are only to bring things closer. That's all it is. I don't have to wear glasses in general. But you see how I have the bags under the eyes, the dark spots and everything. I've got blemishes and everything. So let's see how it works. It's supposed to condition it too. So I'm going to kind of look at I apologize. I'm going to look at the screen instead of my camera view to put it on. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to put a little bit on. It says you need to put it on with your fingers. And let's see here. You don't have to put it on really thick. But let's see how this works. A little bit more up. This is the first time I tried this. Feels really good, smells real good too. So we'll see because I am allergic to a lot of stuff. So next day, if I'm all blown up and face swollen, we know why. Or red bumps. But we'll see how this goes. I'll put some on my neck area here. Looks pretty good. Of course, it doesn't get rid of the puffy eyes, but that's expected. It's not what this is. It's just to get rid of the darkness. So, doesn't look too bad at all. And there's my JJ. Wants to get in the picture here. He's gonna stare out the window. So, it doesn't look bad at all. It toned my skin. Feels really good. Smell, like I said, smells really good. I always pull my hair back. I've always done that ever since I know been a kid. It's just more comfortable. It doesn't feel heavy like some makeups do. And this really, I think it looks really good. So far so good. Can't really see my blemish there. This looks decent. I kind of like it. It seems like it's toned, changed to my skin. Looks really good. Kind of smoothed it out. Not trying to look young. I know I'm 56 years old, but I like to once in a while for my husband put some makeup on, and I only put makeup on once or twice a year. One, our anniversary, and usually the second one is my husband's Christmas party for his job. So other than that, I don't usually wear makeup, but I was looking for something a little easier than the powdered type I was using, which you could see it was on. This seems to be really nice. So let me know in the comments what you think of this, and we'll see how it does. I think this is going to work out real well for me. It's a nice makeup. Want to hold it up for you. So I'm back with full makeup. So I just added the eyes. I didn't want to do it on camera because I'm not so good with it. My daughter helped me with the eye makeup and put a little color on the lips. But I think it looks really good, and everything. Sorry, I say that a lot. It's a habit. But I hope everybody likes this, and I will probably do a few of these videos because I'm going to start at 56. You need to start taking care of your skin. So I'm going to start doing that and taking care of myself. I've kind of lost myself over the years since I haven't been going to a job. I have my own business, and I usually stay around the house. And when you're around the house, you kind of let yourself go. So I am going to try to work on me and work on for the new year to start off. So I hope everybody likes this, and let me know if you like the makeup or not. I'd really appreciate it. And you have a wonderful day. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and tell me what you think. Send me a comment. You know, do you like it? Do you don't like it? It's hard to say. So from what I can tell, it looks okay, but we'll see. So have a wonderful day. Thanks, and bye.